Welcome to Sylvia Stingray. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Sylvia, your Yuri Manhwa translator. Hey guys, good morning. Let me present you the new chapter of Wind Kiss the Moon, chapter 36. So here it is. Let's read the story. Back to Tang Wang Ting and Shang Yi. The two of them are walking outside. This private kitchen tastes good tonight, right? The privacy is also good. You will still consider privacy and you have to pull together. When you wake up, I thought you were not afraid of being photographed. Hunting told Shangyi, well, probably Shangyi. Shiril told her so much. Always have to eat. The refrigerator in my house is cleaner than my face. So it turns out she won't cook. She is always eating outside. Besides, if it's really photographed, it is said that we are in a true friendship. So which word is a matter of opinion. Oh, this girl, she is really getting tricky. Right now, look at one thing. She was looking at hers and said to her, learning is very quickly, Miss Shang. Well, one thing is right, she need to learn how to cook for herself, especially right now. She cannot always rely on the fast foods and also outside foods. Are we all together? Or you can call me the teacher. No, you change, Shangyi said to her. Oh, Shangyi, she's trying to act like a baby. Right now, what will one thing's gonna do? Shangyi, I think, Mr. Shang, name is very good. But everyone calls that. I want to be special and I need to be more intimate. Well, Shangyi suddenly she want to become romantic, right? That's why she's asking for endearment. Well, one thing said to her, it is good, babe. Well, you're stingy. One thing said to her. Well, definitely, she was really enjoying acting like a child like that. And it really makes sense. Fig that was so fat, I can call it out. If you dare to tell me I don't dare to see other people, Labs, why is it? Shangyi said to her. Well, Shangyi seems to be flattered. Well, one thing, she was really laughing at this. Okay, I can call you whatever I want to call you. I'll call you a teacher Shang today. I'll call you tomorrow. You look forward to a new just call it, right? Oh, what a hassle. Every day she was calling her another name, right? This, this really getting tricky. Shangyi, she was always acting like this. But of course, one thing, she will never reject it like this. And she will once pursue Shangyi, whatever she needs. The private kitchen. We walked back and forth 3 times from private kitchen to my house. My feet were almost unconscious. Well, back and forth, the two of them. The relationship is really getting good. No, you want to stay with me for a while, but it's so late. I really have to go home. Well, one thing is right. Shangyi surely needs to go back home. So, are you? Little sister, one thing, is 1 year old older than you. Well, of course, you need to listen to one thing. At this moment, he's trying to control her. Offer is like a possessive person, right? Right, she's been reluctant. So, are you going to the studio tomorrow? Are you busy? Are you going to date again? There's a lot of things are fatherings on hers. Well, definitely. It's really getting good. Dress you wear is my favorite and I'll feel bad if I don't see it for a day. Oh, right now, it's like she's having a tantrums. Well, Shangyi, still, she was really look cute. Oh, I like it the most, but the labels are not dismantled. That's because I'm reluctant to dismantle it. Shangyi said the one thing. Oh, this girl. Shangyi, when you talk about love, it turns out to be like this. Where did the noble and glamorous ambitions go? One thing is asking Shangyi. Well, probably she really want to taste her. But of course, she really want to see what will Shangyi's gonna react on this. A love period is like this. You will understand each other. Well, definitely she was right. The key in the relationship is understanding, and they really need that at most. Now, one thing, she was holding hands with Shang-Yi. Two of them went under the trees. Well, what are they going to do? It seems that this is really getting serious. Moreover, this time, it's not a goodbye kiss. One thing said to Shang-Yi, it is really necessary to take a goodbye kiss for the two of them. She seems to be looking forward to it. Now, one thing, she moved closer to Shang-Yi. It's your girlfriend. Good night kiss to you. Oh, she was really right about this. Before, they still don't have labels, but now, it really makes sense. Shang-Yi, one thing is the one who's provoking her, especially right now. He suddenly kissed her, and she come closer to her. Well, Shang-Yi, she is really surprised about this. But, on the other side, I'm going to pour a cup of hot water. So it turns out the two of them, this girl, they're really in the process of being reconciliation. Now, it really makes sense. There's always a problem with a relationship, even though they're not started yet. Suki, am I being mean? The girl said to Suki, let's hope the two of them will finally get rekindled. So the relationship, it will be better. Food could be really not to be taught at all. I am looking forward for the person morality and conscience or so. Right now, this girl, till now, she continued to think about it. Well, actually, had a moment in my heart. Now, she seems to be shaking. Let's see on what will happen. Let's hope the two of them are finally getting rekindled. Cause it's really getting tough for the two of them. The situation is really getting bad. But Suki, right now, she grabbed her hand, back one-handed. Well, is trying to coax her right now, so she can able to ease without worriness and so on. There's always a sound I said in my ear, I will give in, as she said. Just when I was bit by the dog, I can continue filming and I can choose the book I like. Well, this thing is really mixing on her mind. That's why she's really crying hard. So, she feels so down at this moment. Well, let's hope Suki can really ease her heart so she can able to withstand the problems. Hey guys, thanks for watching. If you like the video, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Membership is so open. For those who want to support, you can support me by joining the membership or you can directly support me via Ko-Fi. Thank you, bye.